receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary.
There goes TBW. There goes TBW.
The warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting this. In addition to the regular voice of your weather service, the preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area.
Oh, there it is. Finally, 88.7 K-Love went off for the NWR Weekly. And K-Love didn't go off last Wednesday. Yeah, but it went off. But luckily, it went off this Wednesday. Luckily. There's the 120s. Yeah. Well, that's it for that. Stay tuned for the 6 p.m. test. All right, there we go.
Voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the SAM system, which stands for. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Will alert all of the signal was on counties affected by a particular warning transmitters in the Florida listening areas Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, originating from 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather of the SAME system, which includes the specific area messaging service. We now return to the SAME system will alert all of the counties or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Yeah, I know FM does tone RWTs from NWR as well. And yes, NWR 88.7 FM does relay NWR weeklies as well.